Hello viewers, and today I'm going to show you how to code in a Clio radio. This is my original radio from the car. I replaced it with a newer one, so I'm going to change it back as I want the display to be on the little LCD on the dashboard rather than on the radio itself. Now this is a current radio I've currently got in. It's not as nice as this one because with this one, when it's on for a while and then it makes a beeping noise and it goes off, and I don't know why it does that, but it's really annoying. And plus it only shows up on here and not on here, the radio station and what have you. And also you can't use this when wanting to turn it down. You can only turn it down by the radio itself, which I don't want to use this radio anymore because it's a bit of a hassle and I'm kind of bored of it now, to be honest. So the tools you are going to need are these, which are like tweezers but much bigger, and they're for taking the radio out and putting the radio back in. And also a handy genuine book that has the radio code in, just to help you get the radio to work. So as you can see, the radio has 4 holes, 2 on each side. They are locators for these, which just slot in like so. Once you push them in so far, you should be able to what I was going to say was, once you push them in so far, you should be able to pull the radio out like so, like that. Then the whole system comes out like that. So this is what the back of the radio looks like. You got one for the finger control on the steering wheel, and these two are for the power, I think. And then you got that one in there, which is for the antenna. Just want to unplug all those and get the radio out of the way before plugging the new one in. Just gonna mark my bleeding dashboard with the radio, but it should be alright. Now it's just same as taking out as putting it back in. Just connect all the wires up. Black in this one, white in this one, and yellow in this one. I take that back, it's not that one. Like you can see, that's empty right in front of you. It's the one above it, the one that the yellow was in is right now. Right, so once you've got all them connected, you don't want to push it in all the way just yet. You want to turn the car on, well, the ignition. You want to turn the radio on, if it works. Would have helped if I connected the antenna, wouldn't it? Okay, change of plan. Since this radio now doesn't work, for some reason it won't turn on. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But anyways, I've got an aftermarket radio I'm going to put in the car for now, and I'll try this again later at some point. So this is the aftermarket radio. It's nothing special, picked up from the scrapyard about a year ago. And it works well, but I would prefer to put the original one in, but clearly it doesn't work, so this will have to do for now. Just like the original radio, it's got like those adapters and the antenna. You just need to plug them in and then it should be good to go. And it comes with a bezel as well. I was just checking the relays of the car, and on the back panel is spare ones, which is quite handy. Seeing as I can't get the other two to work, I'm just going to have to stick with this one for now. I'll wait till I go to the scrapyard and get another one. Oh, it's so cold. Had to take the dog for a walk because there's nothing else to do. What I promise is at the end of this lead, and my light doesn't stretch far enough. There's 2 things I want to come back this year, is the warm weather and the the ability to be able to go out and do things. So rubbish not being able to go out, or you can be questioned about anything, because then they'll be wondering why you're out for no good reason. If there's no good reason, you get charged. So that's why I'm walking the dog in a cold, dark field, because there's no else to do, and also the dog needs a walk.